All right, hello and welcome to the Abroad Bible, a traveler's best friend. I'm just going to take you through the website that we've created just to give you a glimpse into what is going down here in this company. So here we have the Abroad Bible logo up in the top left, just there just to make sure you know, give you the brand recognition that we want to start creating with this logo. And then we have just the title page, a little spiel on what we're all about, and some, just an overview of what you're going to get. And then we give you a little background on ourselves. Since opening in 2020, we've become masters of our craft, and just a little bit more to get you excited and understanding what's going on. Pictures of a map just to keep on brand with, the Abroad Bible. You're supposed to be traveling everywhere and seeing these new and exciting places. Then we have the get in touch factor, with our address and our phone number, and just so you can let us know any questions you have, we're there to help. And just a really easy way to get in touch, very simple, right on the first page. You can find out information you want. And then we have our address, and, in case of an office, anyone can come in and see what they want to see. We have our blog post down here, which we'll get into later, with also beautiful pictures just to keep everything looking really nice. We have our members, who's running everything. Again, nice pretty picture, keeping everything sleek and looking good. We have Rachel Talbot, myself, Director of Customer Service. We have Samantha, Director of Media Marketing. Then we have Clarissa, Director of Publishing. We also have the Let's Chat feature down here. You can hop on and talk with constant people who are ready to answer your questions at any time. Then we have the forum, just so you can, have this sense of community and that people are here to help you and talk to you from all over the world. And everyone who's used it before, anyone can use the forum and just get any of the answers out that you need.